I'll give you a video walkthrough of this house that we raised and building in underneath. So I've had the plaster in, we sheeted all the walls, and then I had a plasterer come in and do setting and cornice, so it's all looking pretty good. This was a second-hand kitchen that I pulled out of another job and installed it here. So just as is, it's in pretty good condition. So this will be the laundry area, there'll be room for a tub there, and then this is the stairs going up, hence this little bit here with that's the landing as the stairs turn around. Bit of a linen cupboard here. We don't have all the shelving in there yet, but that'll be the linen cupboard. Then back behind the stairs is another bedroom, and we've got just a toilet, powder room downstairs. So after the paint's on, we'll put a mirror here. And then upstairs, so stairs, wraparound stairs. We added this window here. This was actually the original location of the front door, and there was a balcony out there. So then we added this wall here to make this into a bedroom, because this used to be, kitchen was here originally, and then there was a wall here, and then that was the living room where the stairs were, and then into this space. So this now becomes master bedroom, and it will have its own deck, which we're redoing all the decking and new balustrading. The balustrading that was on here wasn't legal, and as you can see, the deck boards are all kind of worn out, so all new decking, all new balustrading. So that'll be the master. Then we'll have a walk-through robe, so there'll be a couple of shelves in here, shelves and hanging rails. And then we added this ensuite, so there'll be a shower, there'll be a shower door here, vanity, toilet, and then above the stairs, just to utilise the space, we've built just a storage cupboard, which is above the stairs there. And then behind here, another one above the stairs, sneaky, there's another storage cupboard. So then this is all original part of the house. So there's a bedroom here. And this used to be the master bedroom with built-in robe. I added that originally a long time ago. Then there's a bit of a smaller bedroom, but extra bedroom here. Then we have a toilet, freestanding toilet. Some of the tenants that we had on thought this was funny. And then we completely gutted this bathroom and rebuilt it. So new vanity, got the door for that, just haven't put it on yet. Freestanding corner bath, and then shower. There'll be a shower screen with a shower door here. Yeah. So that's a little update to where we're at with the house. I've got painters coming in tomorrow, plasterer coming tomorrow, plumber coming tomorrow as well to do some stuff, install the hot water system again and put a vent in and do a few other bits and pieces. And then I've got an electrician coming in about 2 weeks to do the fit off after the painters are done. So we're getting pretty close to finished. Floors down. So the previous tenants just put this floor down. We're going to pull all that up, and this floor will all get sanded, ground back, polished, and then an epoxy put over it, and it'll be kind of like a bit of a grey colour to be a bit like the tile that we have in the bathroom there. It'll have a bit of a fleck through it. So yeah, that's the house. I think by end of the month we should be finished. Alrighty, I hope you're having a great day. God bless.